Welcome to Daily Post India. This is Jasmine and here are the top 10 stories of the day. Shromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal leads Shromani Akali Dal BJP delegation accompanied with AAP leadership to restore turban of AAP MLA. The Shromani Akali Dal today said Vidhan Sabha Speaker Rana KP has insulted the Sikh Qaum by ordering bouncers to toss and trample upon turbans of Sikh legislators in the assembly to please his Congress masters. Manjeet Singh Bilaspur said Shromani Akali Dal BJP will not let House function till Speaker KP is removed from the chair. Speaker of Punjab Vidhan Sabha ordered to suspend opposition legislators from the House, after which the marshals pushed the MLAs and disrespected the turbans in the House, on which former Deputy Chief Minister and Shromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal condemned these incidents, describing the Vidhan Sabha Speaker as the country's worst speaker. There is a meeting of 16 opposition parties today in the lead of the Congress for presidential election. According to sources, 5 names are considered for the presidential candidate from the opposition party. These leaders are Meera Kumar, Sushil Kumar Shinde, Prakash Ambedkar and Gopal Krishna Gandhi. According to sources, all members can support on the name of Meera Kumar. Congress can also meet Sharad Pawar and Mayawati. Pre-nursery LKG will be incorporated in government schools. ₹9,500 crore depth wave in 4 to 5 days. Eligible farmers will be free immediately within 6 to 8 weeks. According to sources, 2 youth were on bike and threw Gutka Sahib. Desecration of Gutka Sahib causes uproar in Sikhs. Police have reached the spot and started the investigation. GST was first announced in 2000 by government. 17 years later, it is now a reality with the date for implementation set for July 1, 2017. The central government has declared Amitabh Bachchan as its brand ambassador to promote GST. The Congress had filed an objection and there was a split in the traders. After the farmers' agitation, there are now violent protests taking place in Maharashtra in a new controversy. Farmers stopped the route near the village of Naveli in Kalyan. Meanwhile, farmers damaged public transport vehicles and police vehicles. Additionally, the vehicles were handed over to the fire. The villagers attacked the police personnel in the village of Naveli. Instead of giving justice to the 37-year-old victim, the police tried to exploit her. When the 37-year-old lady reached Ranchi's Ganj police station, she was asked for sexual favor in exchange for help. As soon as the woman refused, the sub-inspector J. Prakash Singh closed the report. Bihar School Education Board has declared results of class 10th, and out of these results released by the Board of Directors, only 51% of the students have passed, whereas 49% of the students have failed. According to board officials, 17,23,941 students this time passed the metric examination, out of which 8,63,950 students have passed. The result was 50.32%. Indian Railways will roll out the new Tejas Express for Delhi-Chandigarh and Delhi-Lucknow routes as well. 2 rakes of the Tejas Express are currently being manufactured in rail coach factories and are expected to be ready by September and November. Railways is yet to decide which rake would be used on which road. Tejas Express, defined as the future of train travel in India, rolled out in May this year on Mumbai-Goa route. For more updates, you can follow our Facebook page Daily Post India and our website www.dailypost.in, and you can also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.